Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We entered a new season or a new liturgical year in our calendar as a church at nais ko pong batiin kayo ng Happy New Year bilang mga mananampalataya. We now enter this cycle A of a new liturgical year through the celebration of Advent, preparing us for Christmas. 4 weeks of preparation, of joyful anticipation for the coming of Christ. And throughout this year, it is cycle A, and we would often hear from the Gospel of Matthew as we continue this year's journey as a Christian community. And once more, we enter the season of Advent as a joyful preparation, as a hopeful season for all of us, not to make Christmas or December or this season another calendar or just another day for us, but for us to make Christmas, the birth of Jesus, once more a meaningful event to all of us until now. I wish to begin our reflection with these questions. Kamusta na po ang inyong mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa inyo? How is your eagerness? How is your yearning? Magkakabukuhan ho tayo ngayon. No? Alam ko hong kakasweldo lang po ng marami sa inyo. No? Ilan na ho sa inyo dito o may mga na-add to cart na wala pang 12-12. No? May mga nangingiti, mukhang natamaan. Hindi ba kapag nakita na ninyo the item is already at the center, ayan, no? Ilang araw na lang, yung aking pinag-ipunan ng isang taon, mapapasakamay ko na. Mas lalo, when we see or read the notification, it's already in the courier. Nako, palapit na ng palapit. At mas lalo na kapag sinabing within the day, the parcel will come. Ayan, excited na. Ano? Hihintayin na yan sa gate. No? Hindi na magkanda maliw-maliw dahil ayan na yung aking in-order. Sa mga mag-asawa po na naririto, no? Most especially those who are working side by side, whenever your husband or your wife would message you, Mama, Dad, I'm on my way home now. Ano hong nararamdaman ninyo? Ayan, uuwi na siya. Meron na ulit akong makakasama. O baka naman pagka na-receive yung message na yun, ito na naman tong taong to. Buong araw akong nananahimik, pero ikaw dadating ka na naman ngayon, guguluhin mo na naman ang aming buhay. Or maybe to all of us, maybe a lot of us are waiting for people, waiting for events, looking forward to experiences this December. Is there still eagerness and yearning deep within us? In our readings, my dear brothers and sisters, and most especially this season, as we embark the first day of the season of Advent, this season would like to teach us once more, to yearn once more, to be eager once more. Baka nawawala na po yung sigla sa atin, nawawala na yung pananabik sa atin. In our first reading, in the book of the prophet Isaiah, Isaiah spoke to Judah and to Jerusalem. That strong eagerness to come to the mountain of the Lord. Because at the mountain of the Lord, we will be refreshed with His words once more. We will be strengthened by the word of the Lord once more. He shall be a just judge there. there will be peace, there will be serene calmness in the house and in the mountain of the Lord. Kaya ganun na lamang po yung kanyang lingwahe. Tara, akyat tayo dahil doon natin makukuha ang kapayapaan, eagerness, and yearning. But the enemy of eagerness and yearning is to be nonchalant or to be lukewarm. Yung wala na lamang nararamdaman, yung gagawa na lamang ng mga walang saysay na bagay, mga makasalanang bagay, ng mga walang kwentang bagay para sa buhay na ito. And St. Paul would like to remind us in our second reading to throw off works of darkness and to put on the armor of light. Baka kaya hindi na po tayo nananabik, nawawalan po tayo ng sigla, kasi walang saysay ang ginagawa natin, o kaya tayo din mismo ayaw na nating manabik o ayaw na din ho nating maging masigla. And Jesus reminds us in today's gospel to be present in our daily situations, to be prepared, to be awake. Baka po kung anong mga bagay ang ating mga ginagawa, pero hindi naman natin kinasasabikan na ang kanyang araw-araw na pagdating sa ating buhay. This season would like to teach you and me once more to pick up, to be on fire once more with our sense of eagerness and yearning. Sa mga araw na pong ito, mga minamahal na kapatid, dadasalin natin na kakantahin natin yung Halina, Jesus, halina. At sana ho, namnamin natin yung mga salitang iyon. Na tila baga, dadating tayo, tinatanaw natin ang Pasko, hindi lang panahon para magkatipon-tipon, hindi lamang isang ordinaryong araw, pero hayaan ho natin na ang Pasko natin ngayon maging kakaiba. Dahil ngayon pa lang nananabik na tayo kay Jesus. Alam ko po madami po tayong pinapangarap, madami po tayong dinadasal. At sa likod ng mga bagay na iyon, nandun pa rin ho sana yung pananabik at yung sigla. Na oo, pagdating ng tamang panahon, nasa kamay ko ang mga bagay na ito. Pero mga kapatid, babala po. Sabi nga po natin kanina, that the antidote or the extreme opposite of yearning and eagerness is to be lukewarm. Sa mga bagay na po yan, lumalago ang mga bagay na nagpapalamig sa ating mga puso. Kapag ka nawawala na ng sigla, nawawala na ng lakas ng loob, kahit po tayo hindi na tayo natututong manindigan din para sa ating bayan. If there's no more eagerness, there's no more yearning, we begin to collapse, we begin to do the otherwise. Magnanakaw na, manloloko na, manlilito na, manlilinlang na. Gagawa na ng masama, hindi na magiging tapat sa pangako. Dahil wala na yung apoy, dahil wala na yung sigla, nawala na yung dating ningas sa ating puso. This season, my dear brothers and sisters, would like to teach us to yearn once more and to be eager once more. Let us not blush off with sad faces, but to look forward for every day. Namnamin ang bawat halina Jesus. Sa mga oras na ito, for us to be eager and to yearn for Jesus, go to confession, pray daily, follow the readings of the days. Maybe to some of you, join the Misa de Aguinaldos so that we can really go through the stories of Christmas. In a particular way, it is good that during the Advent season, we celebrate our fiesta, the Immaculate Conception on how Mary emptied herself so that Christ may come and occupy his life. These are eager things to do, and hopefully may eagerness and yearning be on fire with us or in us once more as we continue this season and as we look forward to a meaningful and a blessed Christmas to all of us.